In this video, I'm going to explain the basics of recording the observations about the current operating pattern, also known as the current condition. So with the current condition, there are three elements: an operating pattern or block diagram, observations, which is what we're going to get into, and raw data, cycle times, metrics, that sort of thing. So for more on this observation stuff, go to page 114 in the practice guide. So the prompt here is simply describe what you see with your five senses, noting your observation in bullet form. That's pretty much it. So in Trello, just add a card, have in the description, here are a bunch of observations that one can make. The tricky part in all of this is to focus on seeing patterns, not just problems. So it's looking at the pattern or the operating pattern, be able to see, hey, there's a tendency that this thing keeps happening either every operation or every so often. Not just here is the waste, here are the problems. So this list should just describe the characteristics of the focus process. An example, which I think is helpful. There's a three part list that's in the book. Operators getting their own parts. So it's not a judgment. It's not saying like they shouldn't be doing that or they should be doing that. It's just saying like, hey, I'm noticing that operators have to go and get their own parts from their supplier. WIP tends to accumulate before the two automated workstations. So, again, you're seeing a tendency that things start to pile right before this operation. And the last operator has to periodically move containers of finished goods out. So again, you'd be able to see that. So yeah, so it's just a non-judgmental look at the operating pattern and just things that you'd be able to see. If you have any questions, please see myself or your lead or manager, or check out the book. Thank you.